What's up, you guys? It's the girl Emily, and come back to the chicken with me. My mama already watched it, so let's get into seasoning it. So y'all, we got we be using all season with our chicken. So good, could just put our season all over the chicken. You gotta get it all up in there, y'all. All up in there. Don't worry about how much seasoning you put. You season it to your liking. You could use any kind of seasoning. We dissolve all seasoning. Okay. Get it all up in there. Let's mix it, y'all. I've got the gloves on. I'm just gonna mix our chicken, y'all. Let's mix our chicken. Mix, mix our chicken. Y'all, let's add some more our seasoning. Some more seasoning. Okay. Then we're gonna keep mixing. Nicely coated. So you gotta get up all in there. So we're gonna put some more seasoning. Okay, y'all. Get that seasoning up in there. We're gonna mix it up all up in there. We're gonna put a little bit more seasoning. Mix it even more. Okay. That's how I mix it. So y'all, this is gonna be the pan that I'm gonna dump the chicken in to bake the chicken. Okay. So we're gonna just all that juice up in there. So y'all, we're gonna spread out the chicken so it can fill up the pan. Spread the chicken. Okay, you guys. So now that I got it, all flattened out, I'm gonna put some frozen onion and bell pepper and some fresh onions. I got some fresh onions. Hit it like all on there. Remember, y'all, we were making baked chicken. Gotta put it all. Okay. Then we're gonna get the fresh onions. Put the onions all up in there. Okay. Some of the olive oil all over the chicken. Okay, put that all over that chicken. Okay. So now that we got all of it in there, we're gonna pop it in the oven. I already got the oven back there warmed up at 400. We're gonna put it in the oven. Okay. Gotta open the oven. Just gonna pop it in there. See you in 45 minutes.